Hey everyone, Jennifer King here. And if you're watching this channel, you're probably thinking about making Lancaster County your home. Today I want to talk to you about something that's coming up a lot right now, even for people who are already here, and that is the 2027 tax reassessment countywide. If you're planning to buy here, or if you just bought here, this impacts you. So let's walk through it together so you know exactly what you're stepping into. Let's start with the basics. A reassessment countywide is simply the county taking a fresh look at what your property is worth in today's market. That's it. They're updating their records to reflect current values. Here's some context. The last time Lancaster County, Pennsylvania did this was in 2018. So right now, your taxes are based on what your home was worth 8 years ago. And if you've been following this market at all, you already know things have changed a lot since then. Values have gone up considerably across the county, so the county is essentially catching up to where the market already is. I like to think of it like getting a new prescription for your glasses. Your vision has changed, the prescription needs to catch up. That's all this is. Now let's talk about the thing everyone is really worried about. Am I going to owe a lot more in taxes? I want to be really clear here because this is the most important thing I'm going to say in this entire video. A higher assessed value does not automatically mean a higher tax bill. Pennsylvania law requires that when a reassessment happens countywide, the millage rate, that's the multiplier that they use to calculate what you owe, must be lowered. The county cannot simply reassess everyone at higher values and pocket the difference. That's not how this works. The goal is revenue neutrality, meaning the county as a whole is not supposed to collect more money just because of the reassessment. Now, will every person's bill be identical to last year? Not necessarily. If your property appreciated more than the county average, you may see a modest increase. If it appreciated less, you might actually see a slight decrease. But the blanket fear that everyone's taxes are going to double or triple overnight, that's just not what's happening here. I've been serving sellers and buyers here for 26 years. I've seen a lot of things rattle the market, and I can tell you the best thing you can do right now is just get yourself informed. So let's keep going. How did they come up with your new value? The county used certified Pennsylvania evaluators, real professionals who looked at actual sales data, real transactions, real market activity right here in Lancaster County. They're comparing your home to similar homes in similar locations that have actually sold. As someone who looks at comparable sales every single day, I can tell you that's the right way to do it. Some of you may have noticed someone walking around the outside of your property in the past year or so taking photos. That was likely a county assessor. They carry county ID and they drive marked county vehicles. This is a completely normal part of the process, nothing to worry about. One thing I do want to encourage you to do is go online and check your property record on the Lancaster County Assessment website. Make sure that what they have on file is actually accurate. Square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, any additions. If any of that information is wrong, it can affect your assessed value. It's worth 5 minutes of your time to verify. Now here's where things stand right now with timing. The county mailed out reassessment notices on June 15th, 2026. So you should be receiving yours any day if you haven't already. The new values go into effect January 1st, 2027 for county and municipal taxes and July 1st, 2027 for school district taxes. So you are not out of time. You have room to breathe and take action if you need to. Now, this is also something I want to speak to directly for anyone who is in the process of buying here in the county or just recently made a move here. Your assessed value can actually affect your decision-making as a buyer. Understanding what a home's taxes looked like before the reassessment versus what they may look like after is something that matters when you're evaluating a purchase. It's something that I walk my clients through every single day. And it's another reason why working with someone who knows this market deeply really matters when you're making a move like this. Now, what if you get your notice and something just doesn't feel right? You can appeal. You have 40 days from the mailing date on your notice, which makes the deadline August 3rd of 2026. You can reach the Lancaster County Assessment Office by email at paquestions@lancastercountypa.gov or call them directly at 717-299-8381. Here's my honest advice on appeals. If the value on that notice doesn't line up with what you believe your home would realistically sell for in today's market, it is absolutely worth looking into. Pull up some recent sales in your neighborhood, or better yet, reach out to me. That is exactly the kind of thing I can help you think through. I know this market, I know these neighborhoods. Let's look at the numbers together and figure out if an appeal makes sense for your situation. Before I let you go, I also want to make sure you know about a few programs that can help you reduce your property tax burden. And these are available regardless of the reassessment. If you're a senior, there's the Senior Citizen Rent Rebate Program. You can call the Office of Aging at 1-800-801-3070. If you're a disabled veteran, there's assistance available through the Department of Military and Veteran Affairs at 1-800-547-2838. If you own agricultural or open land, look into the Clean and Green program. And for anyone who lives in their home as their primary residence, check out the Homestead and Farmstead Exclusion. That one is particularly worth knowing about, especially if you just moved here and this is your primary home. All of this information is at lancastercountypa.gov. Please take advantage of what's available to you. All right, here's the bottom line. I know reassessment sounds like a big, scary word, but when you understand what it actually is and how it actually works, it's a lot less intimidating. The system has guardrails built in to protect you. You have time, you have rights, and you have someone in your corner who's been navigating this market for 26 years and genuinely wants to help you through it. If you're thinking about moving to Lancaster County, or you just made the move, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you understand this community, this market, and everything that comes with putting down roots here. Lancaster is a special place. I've been here my entire life, and I wouldn't trade it. I want to help you feel just as at home here as I do. If you have questions about the reassessment, about your property value, about buying here, selling here, or anything, feel free to drop them in the comments below or reach out directly to me. I'm always happy to talk, and you'll find my contact information here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.